All right. So when it comes to a charge off, there's a few things we need to know about a charge off. The first thing about a charge off is two things can happen, right? When a charge off happens, one, the debt can be canceled or forgiven. That's one instances where a charge off can occur. Or two, it's for tax purposes as per the banking rule that a company like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, your financial institution may charge off an account if the account is 120 to 180 days late. So by law, they have to change the status and get it into charge-off status as per bank rules. Now, to delete a charge-off is very simple. So how you want to know if they canceled the debt or not, the first thing you want to do with a charge-off is request the Form 1099-C, right? So that letter is down below requesting your 1099-C charge-off letter, right? So that one's below. The next thing you want to know is what does the IRS say about debt that has been canceled or charged off? Well, when it comes to a charge-off debt, the IRS says you can categorize it as gross or ordinary income, right? That's what they have on their website. And what you do, you need to file the amount on your taxes under the other income section. Now, I'm no CPA or attorney, so you might want to speak with your tax professional when it comes to amending your taxes for this purpose, right? Now, income does not get reported to your consumer report. It's very important that you know that. Income does not get reported to your consumer reports. So in that sense, where you took the balance and you amended your taxes because you filed it as gross or ordinary income, the reporting of a charge-off in that instance becomes inaccurate information. And as per the FCRA, you are able to delete or dispute any information or any item of information on your consumer report that you believe to be inaccurate. In this case, the charge-off that they listed as a debt is not debt because you filed it on your taxes as gross or ordinary income. So by changing the status of the account from debt to income, the account being reported as a debt is inaccurate reporting, and you can get this item deleted. So that's one way of deleting a charge off using the 1099-C method.